You too. What's up? So I got some exciting news. It is Thursday, May, was it 16th? Yeah, May 16th. Monday night, I went and picked up my motor. I went up to get a different motor, and the block was done. It uh, it had been wrecked, so the motor mounts were broken off, the AC compressor mounts were broken off, and the block was just junk. You can tell. Um, I'm trying not to give away anything that's, like the deciding factor of what the motor was, but yeah, it wasn't a good motor. But the dude had another motor sitting there, which is actually the motor I've been looking for, and I scooped it up. So it's here. I'm pretty excited about it. I can't wait to actually start working on it and getting some stuff done. I didn't expect to have it at this point already, so super pumped, super excited. I'm gonna walk y'all around a little bit, show you what I have been doing. I've made about 15 videos on my GoPro, and I don't have a way to get it off right now because my computer is full of storage and my phone is full of storage, so I can't download the 4K videos to my phone and then edit them and then put them on. So I got to do this on my phone real quick just to give y'all a little taste of what's up. And yeah, so I mean that's what's going on right now. I'm gonna give y'all a little walk around in the car real quick. All right, so it is all apart once again. As of right now, I've got the tubs. I put those together last night, me and my wife. She helped me out. I cut them all out. I had the templates in there, had how to fit it up to the fenders and how it's gonna sit. So that's all cut. It looks like it's all uneven, but that's actually cut for a purpose. So it actually goes against the fender. And I don't know if on the last video I had any of this welded in, but all of this is welded now. That door bar over there isn't welded yet. I was still waiting to see if I liked how it fit and where it was fitting and everything. This seat bracket's done. I got another seat. Obviously, driver, passenger. This fuel mount, or the fuel cell is done. Here's the mounts. I just got to drill holes and I got to finish welding it. It's just tagged right now, but I got to put some holes in that and I'll have everything ready. These already have all the tabs and everything. These are AN10 fittings, Speedmaster 15 gallons, 90 ohm fuel level sender. These tires are actually not the tires I'm going to run. These are 29 by 12 inch slicks, which is big tire, and I'm not going to run a big tire car. So I'm actually going to go 29.5 by 10.5, no W, just to have, that small tire, whatever, class or whatever. So without further ado, I guess I'll go ahead and show you the motor. Sitting right here. It is absolutely dirty and nasty. It's been sitting in the yard. But it's an LS. That's right. It's an LS. But it's not just any LS. It's a 6.0. What's in 317 heads. So that's what's going on in the car. LS 6.0. It'll have a single turbo and hold on one second. So like I was saying, 6.0 LS. I'm gonna build it to where it's actually gonna be strong and capable of holding some power, and I'm gonna throw a bunch of boost at it. The car itself should be super strong. So I know I'm not worried about the car. I was at first. Originally I was just gonna throw a V8 in here, leave all the stock suspension, leave everything, and just kind of build from there. Like, you know, upgrade a little bit something here, upgrade a little something here. But then, like, as it was down and I had to cut some stuff to make some room, I was like, why not just cut this? Why not just cut? And then one thing led to another, and the whole entire car is shelled. And I had no intentions of doing that at first, but I am so glad I did. Because now it's done, and it's done right, and it's going to be super strong, and I know that I'll be able to throw down whatever kind of power I want to this car, and it's going to go. Well, chassis-wise anyway, and stability. Now I just gotta actually build the motor and put it all together and throw it in here. I already got motor mounts on the way. I'm gonna clean the crap out of that motor. I got off early, so I'm out here. I had to make a video. This has been so long since I've actually done something with YouTube. So shout out to my boy Jonathan Iser. Let's do this first. Right here, Mr. Iser at Windsor, hooking me up with some Metabo. Man, I've used the crap out of these things. And some brake parts cleaner. I'm gonna clean my motor with all that. It's going into the parts washer one piece at a time. He's got a big parts washer at his house. It's gonna be immaculate, and I'm gonna paint the block, and it's gonna look really good. So super excited, super pumped. I was supposed to have somebody come tonight and help me fit these tubs in, but can't depend on nobody, so that's not happening. But they're gonna be in very soon. So once the tubs are in, sealed, the floors are gonna start going in. Door bars are gonna get welded up. Seat mounts are pretty much done. I just gotta drill one more hole, and I'm gonna start putting the motor in. Well, I'm gonna start making the mounts for it anyway, getting everything ready. I got a bunch of stuff that's gonna happen. I've got not this week coming up, but the next week I've got off, so I'm just gonna sit here and slay on this car. I want to get it rolling. I want to get it going, man. I'm dying. Yep. So now you know. LS powered. Can't beat it. Cheapest, most reliable, most power that I've seen. I'm not a Chevy guy. I'm not a Ford guy. I'm not a Dodge guy. Like, I love Nissan cars, and I'm not crazy about their motors, but I couldn't beat it. I actually had a 351 Windsor, and started building it, and had forged everything. Everything was ready for a ton of nitrous, and then I just sold everything because it was way too expensive. And with the money I sunk into that motor, I could have bought 3 of these 6.0s, and I never even had that motor running. I literally never even built that motor. I started to, and then I was like, you know what? Let's not even worry about it, because it was just too much money, way too much. And if it ever went wrong, that's a ton of money again. So, all right, like, comment, subscribe, share, tag it, whatever you want to do. I don't care. Let's get the word out. This nightmare is about to be coming for sure.